talking about the Q1 business updates coming from the bank, and they seem quite encouraging for the Q1 FY27. If you see the loan growth, it has remained healthy despite Q1 being seasonally weak quarter. Deposit growth, they continue to lag the advances, although the loan to deposit ratio, they have started to moderate a bit. Among the individual lenders, if you see, so Jammu and Kashmir Bank is leading the pack with the strongest loan and deposit growth. Dhanlaxmi Bank has reported healthy growth numbers across both metrics, while Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank, that particular stock, it remains in focus after reporting the highest sequential growth in this quarter. Canara Bank, it continues to see a strong momentum led by its RAM portfolio. On the other hand, Indian Bank has actually posted a weaker set of numbers, slightly softer side, while Punjab and Sindh Bank, it continues to trail the industry. Now, starting with Bank of India, the gross advances there grew nearly 19%, while domestic deposits, they rose above 16%. ESAF Small Finance Bank also came up with their business update, and it reported a solid quarter with robust growth seen across advances as well as deposits. The retail lending remained the key growth driver in this quarter. Secured loans now account for nearly 62% of their overall portfolio. Dhanlaxmi Bank, it delivered another strong quarter with total business growing nearly 21%, driven by a 26% rise in its advances and 17% surge in its deposits. It was led by the gold loans, which stood out for this quarter, surging nearly 76%, and MSME advances rising 29%. Also, J&K and Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank were among the standout performers for this quarter. J&K Bank, it reported 26% loan growth and nearly 17% deposit growth. While if you see TMB, it recorded 27% of loan growth, among the strongest sequential advance growth, and also 20% growth in its deposits. Also, Bank of Baroda numbers came in just a few minutes ago, and if you see, the global deposits there have risen nearly 14% on a yearly basis, while the global advances are up 17.5%. So based on the early numbers, we see that it seems to be quite encouraging Q1 update for the banks.